I'd like to commend the leader who drew our attention to the fact that the 10th Assembly of Rivers State is here to receive the appropriation bill in line with Section 121, subsection 1 of the 1999 Constitution as altered. Honorable members, we are also aware that Section 122 of the 1999 Constitution as altered gives a window of 6 months in the event that an appropriation law has not been passed. That opportunity was given to the governor for him to spend. He spent up till 30th day of June 2024. And given that the fiscal year of Rivers State begins first day of January to the last day of December, which is the 31st day of December, it therefore indicates that the 6 months window that is open for the governor to spend or withdraw from the Consolidated Revenue Fund of the state has since elapsed. Today is the 15th day of July, 15 days after the expiration of that window provided to the governor by the Constitution. The governor has blatantly refused to present the appropriation bill to the Rivers State House of Assembly. Distinguished colleagues, the leader and other members have opined that the only way to go now is to declare a shutdown on expenditure in Rivers State. The implication, honorable members, is that the governor can no longer legitimately authorize expenditure from the Consolidated Revenue Fund of Rivers State, and by extension, all ministries, departments, extra-ministerial departments, agencies, commissions in Rivers State are no longer permitted to spend taxpayers' money. That is the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. Honorable members, that is what members who spoke clearly stated in their speeches. On that note, honorable members, I'll put the question so that members will vote one way or the other regarding this matter that is before us. So those in favor of a complete shutdown on expenditure in Rivers State, going by the failure of the governor or refusal of the governor to obey the Constitution and present the 2024 appropriation bill, should indicate by raising their hands. Those for, 22. Against, nil. Abstention, nil. Honorable members, by your voting therefore this morning, the Rivers State House of Assembly hereby declares a total shutdown on expenditure by the Rivers State government pursuant to Section 122 of the 1999 Constitution as altered. Honorable members, with this House is going to forward an official communication to the governor, officially notifying him of this shutdown on expenditure pursuant to Section 122 of the 1999 Constitution. Honorable members, that letter will indicate that pursuant to Section 122 of the 1999 Constitution as altered, that the governor is now barred from authorizing the withdrawal of monies from the Consolidated Revenue Fund of the state beginning from the first day of July 2024, and the Rivers House of Assembly is constrained to consequently declare a government shutdown on expenditure until an appropriation bill for the 2024 fiscal year is presented and passed by the House. Honorable members, the other part of the letter will also indicate that in this regard and pursuant to Section 122, subsection 2, subsection 3 and 4 of the 1999 Constitution as altered, he ought to have and should be requested to desist from further authorization of withdrawals from the Consolidated Revenue Fund of the states, and to direct all Rivers State ministries, commissions, agencies, departments, and extra-ministerial departments to desist from spending taxpayers' funds until the Rivers State Appropriation Bill 2024 is laid before this House, passed and assented to. Honorable members, lastly, we have to draw the attention of the governor that he should notify, that we are going to notify other relevant authorities in this country, and once again remind him of his oath of office and his oath of allegiance to the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. Distinguished colleagues, we are going to copy the Deputy Governor of Rivers State, Office of the Deputy Governor, the Secretary to the State Government, the Head of Service Rivers State, the Accountant General Rivers State, and the Auditor General Rivers State. This letter is going to be prepared and served on the Governor immediately. Thank you, honorable colleagues. Clerk, what next we have on the